Hello and welcome back to this channel. I hope you are well. So today we will discuss a job openings from, as you can see here, it's a good country. Its name is Korea. So I hope you all of know that Korea is a Asian country. So there are job openings, urgent job vacancies. So if you are interested to apply, then keep watching this video till the end. And next, how to apply, what is the qualifications and experience requirements, everything details you can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is the SMT operator required in South Korea. Urgent opening, South Korea locations, long term. Please follow Ambe International-Recruitment and Mobility for daily updates. This is a good consultancy I can suggest you. So for SMT operator, you should have electronics engineering and electrical engineering or mechanical engineering qualifications, and as BE plus 1 year of SMT field experience and diploma plus 5 years of SMT field experience. It's mandatory to apply for this job. Salary will be in the Indian currency 1,60,000. And if you are interested to apply, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. Also, you can follow by this number. So the thing is, this is a rare opening job openings from Korea, SMT operator. And for SMT operator, you should have the proper qualifications. As you can see here, mentioned right here by the client, you should have BE qualifications plus 1 year of SMT field experience, and you should have diploma plus 5 years of SMT field experience. If you are really eligible for this job, then keep watching this all informations and verify it from descriptions below this video. If you are really interested to apply for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible. So the thing is, this is a urgent job vacancies. I can suggest you please apply as soon as possible, and I hope you can attend the client interview your as per your professionals and experience. You will be got selected by shortlisted by CV process. Once your CV will be shortlisted, of course you can attend the interview, and after your success from the interview, the all process will be starts by the company or the client. So the thing is, if you are really eligible for a SMT operator, you can apply as soon as possible to work in South Korea. And the qualifications and experience already mentioned right here. And the applying process is, you have to apply by this official email ID. You have to drop your CV and cover letters to the given official email ID. After you apply, you can follow up by this number. So guys, if you're interested to apply, then apply as soon as possible. There have a limited time to applications received. So after you apply, of course you will be prepared to attend the interview. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any confusion or any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. This is the latest job openings, and I can suggest you for all SMT operators, don't be wet, apply as quick as possible. And before you apply, you should keep in mind that you should have the proper qualifications and experience in the relevant field. Then only you can apply. So guys, I hope you understand all the things, and lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will inform you a latest job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel.